POV. Gutom ka na, pero social pa rin ang arrival. Wait! May rooftop restaurant na sa Alaminos? Meron na pala nun sa Pangasinan? Hindi tayo papayag na aesthetic lang. Kailangan masarap din. Look! Grabe tong volcano maki, oh. Sobrang Instagrammable. Try natin. Oh, wow. Tantan men kung gusto mo ng may kick. Pero, tong hot sa ramen talaga yung babalik-balikan mo. Comfort food, malala. Chicken katsudon na saucy at satisfying. Yung tipong mapapatahimik ka sa sarap. Drinks muna tayo kasi summer na. Sunset mocktail, oh. Very aesthetic. I love pink. Sarap. Mango candy salad. Para kunwari, balance. Char. Good girl era tayo ngayon. Wow. So satisfying. Super cute ng mga shalong baos. Grabe, may pink, may green, and merong chocolate. Let's try it. It comes with a sea salt cream dip. Kalain mo yun, perfect din pala ang sweet na shalong bao. That one was chocolate. I love it. Guys, tingnan nyo naman to crazy kani maki. Parang pang food trip na walang diet. Let's try it. I also have gyoza, but this time it's fried gyoza.